and welcome back to KidBits. In today's episode, we're going to continue our journey through Scratch, and we're going to know what the robot replies to Kai, and of course what happens next. So let's dive right in. So as you can see here, we have our scene from last time, but only Kai said something. And Kai said, like, if we click on the green flag again, and we see Kai says what is going on. If you remember, he came out of school and then saw this rocket landing on the football field. And so he wanted to check it out. And now the robot is going to reply. Obviously, we're going to have to program it. So let's do that. So we click on the robot. And just like last time, we click on events, and we're going to select the flag, just like last time. And now we need to be very careful, because obviously we don't want the robot to say something at the same time as Kai. Because if I now click the flag, like, both will speak at the same time. Like, Kai will say what is going on here, and the robot is just going to say hello. But obviously we want the robot to speak after Kai asks his question. And so let's do that. And since we know, like, if we go back to Kai, we click on him, we set his speech to 3 seconds. So we need to wait for 3 seconds with the robot before the robot can speak. So let's go back, click on the robot, and we're gonna learn a new command. It's under control, and it's called wait. So we're gonna plug it right here, and we set it to 3 seconds, because Kai speaks for three seconds. And now the robot can reply, and he's gonna say, "Hi, I am Bob. My master sent me to pick you up." So, that's an odd reply. Who's Bob's master, and why should he pick up Kai? And then an obvious response from Kai would be, "Who's your master?" So let's program that. And now we need to keep in mind that the robot, actually this is quite a long sentence, so we might want to, like, not do 2 seconds, but also either 3 or 4. Let's do 3. Let's do 3 seconds. And so now we again need to consider how long the robot speaks before Kai can speak again. So the robot speaks for 3 seconds, therefore Kai has to wait for 3 seconds. Now we take the wait command again and put 3 seconds there. And now we can put, if you go to looks, and we can say something again, and then Kai is going to reply, "Who is your master?" And obviously that's another question, so then it goes back to the robot. So who is Bob's master? Well, you're going to find out in a moment. And again, we need to consider how long Kai is speaking. So we go back to the robot, and now we need to wait for another 2 seconds. So we go back to controls, take the wait command, plug it in here, set it to 2 seconds, and now we can go back to looks and take our say command, and what is Bob gonna reply? Well, see for yourself. He is your father. What? Why would Kai's father send the robot to pick Kai up? Obviously that makes Kai curious, because Kai actually doesn't know his father. So obviously he wants to know, who is he? And just like last time, we again need to consider how long the robot spoke. And before we go on, let's actually click on the flag in order to see the conversation so far. Let's go. What is going on here? Hi, I'm Bob. My master sent me to pick you up. Who's your master? He's your father. So then, the last time the robot spoke was for 2 seconds. So now we go back to Kai, and we go back to control, and we're gonna put a wait command again, set it to 2 seconds. And then we go back to looks in order to get our say for such and such amount of seconds. And Kai is so curious that he wants to meet him. Since, he doesn't know his father, so he wants to know who his father is. And so therefore he says, take me to him. Okay, let's review our little conversation. What is going on here? Hi, I'm Bob. My master sent me to pick you up. Who's your master? He's your father. Take me to him. And so, the next step is gonna be that the robot and Kai are gonna enter the rocket. But that's actually gonna be our next episode. We're gonna program how the robot and Kai enter the rocket and fly away. So, thank you so much for watching, and see you next time at Kibitz.